Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to create any kind of collage in Photoshop very easily. So today I want to create a fashion collage, mainly a mood board. So I got my inspiration from Pinterest and I have selected some images. I'm simply gonna copy them and paste in my Photoshop. I'm just gonna drag them and resize them as I want, and Photoshop has a very good alignment tool, so it will tell you how to resize, how to shape and everything. I'm trying to create a post-winter early summer mood board. My main inspiration is from the American rapping culture. They are recently wearing very soft colorful clothes. The best part of Photoshop is I can be very free with every single photo. I want to put a text to make the whole collage a bit easier for the people to understand. I also want to change the color. I'll go with red and blue. And as you know that I downloaded the image from online and the quality is not that good, but I often find putting a bit of noise makes everything more qualityful and grungy, so I'm gonna do that. So that's it for today, and it was a very simple tutorial and you can play around, do your own thing, do your own magic. So thank you very much for watching.